Dear ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to thank you for sending us articles from the wishlist from Amazon. We really didn't expect. Several persons sent money by YouTube. Thank you very much. It's really very generous. So this video, it will be more like an update because you know the work is quite boring. That what we are doing now. We are doing the lintel. We are continuing the lintel. It takes quite much time, but it has to be done nicely. Then we will continue on other lintels. So it's just a little update now. I would like to give some news. So we got out of the overdraft. So now we are more or less at zero. So I need to enter some sites and things like that pay quickly. So now I will do more engineering jobs than working with my hands in the chateau. Luckily there's Omar who will continue doing the lintels. Then what I wanted to say, so now we got a site that was signed that makes us in a month or two our half-year turnover. So I think it will allow us to liberate a lot of money, not a lot, but some money at least for here. So like this we will advance here. So Omar will continue to do lintels. Me, I will continue doing engineering. I have some computations. You know, I noticed that when I'm doing not sites but more engineering jobs, they are paid quite well. So maybe I have to concentrate myself of doing this sites where there's much engineering. Like for example, now we have a site where we have to make like little footbridges for railways. We still have to finish the bridge that we started, we fixed the abutments for. We have several jobs like this, and so we are continuing doing the structural. And now we will go to the workshop to show you what is advancing there. I wanted to show also what was done here meanwhile. So the insulation of the roof inside is almost done, just one part is missing, and we are starting to put the how do you call it, drywalls, plaster boards here. So now we are missing just these parts. The central post of the workshop was prepared to put the metallic part. Now we will have to buy some, how do you call it, some paste that you put inside for the wood to solidify it again, because it has a lot of holes that were put into evidence. And then we will put metallic parts to hold the upper part of this post. Now it's ready. And we will show you now how we control the weldings. This is ferric chloride. Now we will grind the welding to make it polished, and then we will apply it and we will see if there's penetration. How do you see if there's penetration? I think you feel it. We want to check the weldings to be sure that the welding machine works well and the settings are okay. So that's why we polish the welding and then we apply the ferric chloride. When it's applied for some seconds, it will show us the penetration. The color is different on the welding joint and on the raw metal. So that's why we have to check the penetration. That's how we do. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. There's contributors who sent us things from our Amazon wishlist. Really big respect and big thank you. Also, they sent me a Borat mankini, so I put the images of it on Instagram. Check our Instagram if you want. So, in all cases, you will see everything that was bought. You will see it used in the next videos.